Excuse me, is anyone sitting here?
Oh, hi. No, nobody is sitting here. You can take a seat.
Thank you so much. The coffee shop is very crowded today. By the way, my name is Leo.
Nice to meet you, Leo. I am Mia.
Nice to meet you too, Mia. Are you a student at the university nearby?
Yes, I am. I am studying English literature. I love reading books. What about you? Do you work or study?
That sounds amazing. I am a computer science student. I am in my second year. It can be difficult sometimes, but I really enjoy it.
Wow, computer science. That sounds very smart. Is it hard to learn programming?
It is challenging at the beginning, but if you practice every day, it becomes easier. It is just like learning a new language.
That makes sense. Speaking of languages, I am also trying to improve my vocabulary these days.
Really? Your English is already very clear and easy to understand.
Thank you. But I want to speak more fluently. Sometimes I forget the right words to say during a conversation.
Don't worry, that is completely normal for everyone. The best way to remember new vocabulary is to use it in daily life. For example, what did you do this morning?
This morning I woke up early, made breakfast, and then I walked to the park. See? I used simple verbs like woke up, made, and walked.
Exactly. That is perfect. You are using the past tense correctly. Woke up is the past tense of wake up. You see, you are doing great.
Thanks for the encouragement, Leo. It helps a lot. Oh, look, your coffee is here. What did you order?
I ordered an iced Americano. I need some caffeine to stay awake. I have a big exam tomorrow.
Good luck with your exam. I prefer sweet drinks, so I got a caramel macchiato. It is delicious.
Sweet drinks are nice too. So, Mia, what do you usually do in your free time besides reading?
I like listening to music and watching movies. I think watching English movies with subtitles helps me learn common sentences.
That is an excellent method. It helps with listening skills and pronunciation. We should practice speaking English together more often.
I would love that. I am usually here on Tuesdays and Thursdays.
Perfect. Let's meet here again next Tuesday then.
It's a deal. See you next week, Leo.
See you, Mia. Have a great day.